Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best Carnauba waxes on Amazon. Carnauba wax is often known as the best type of wax for many reasons, chief among them is great looks and long-lasting durability. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Turtle Wax Black Spray Wax. Turtle Wax is one of those companies that never fail to deliver quality car cleaning and detailing products. This time, we have a spray wax with Carnauba that is well worth your attention. Thanks to the unique formula, the wax applies in a breeze, treats the surface, and leaves a glossy, protective coat. Those who own black cars always struggle with finding the best products to boost their vehicle's paint and make it shine like new. Black surfaces are difficult to maintain and repair, which is why Turtle Wax made an effort to produce a spray wax that can cover scratches, swirls, and other imperfections. The wax also leaves a glossy and protective finish that repels UV rays and water. That will preserve the black color of your vehicle and make it shiny for longer than usual, regardless of road conditions. All you need to do is to spray the product on a clean surface, away from direct sunlight. Number 2. Chemical Guys Butter Wet Wax. Another excellent option for those who want to achieve a deep, wet look is Butter Wet Wax. Coming from Chemical Guys, this product offers exceptional quality and showroom finishing results. It applies to different surfaces and paints without much effort, providing not only incredible shine, but also high protection against UV and UVB rays. As the name suggests, this product melts into the paint like butter. Thanks to the Carnauba formula, the wax gently cleanses the car surface without causing any damage. You can even use it on painted wheels, chrome bumpers, windshields, and other surface types. The best part is the protective coat that leaves all these surfaces well guarded against all kinds of threats. The coat protects against water spots, bird droppings, dust, road tar, and more. Number 3. Megier's 16-ounce Carnauba Wax. If you're looking for a simple bottle of liquid Carnauba wax, Megier's 82216 bottle is hard to beat in terms of results and easy application. As a result, this is a very beginner-friendly wax that offers a low barrier entry into car care. The 16-ounce bottle size offers a good amount of wax for a small price tag. Despite the low price, the wax actually has a lot to offer in terms of overall finish and protective qualities. The shine isn't the highest in terms of high gloss, but it is noticeable enough to give a vehicle a semi-like new look. More importantly, the durability of the protective coat can last between 3 and 6 months, depending on your driving frequency and common weather conditions. Number 4. Griot's Garage Best of Show Paste Wax. Griot's Garage Show Paste is one of those high-end products that use the best Carnauba wax out there. It's specially designed for achieving a deep, wet shine on all kinds of surfaces. You can even use it on faded and oxidized paint for quick and simple color repair. The improvements are visible almost instantly, and the finishing results make vehicles stand out from others. Among the many benefits the product offers, even coverage is the main one. You don't need to apply excessive amounts of this wax to get the job done. A little of the paste goes a long way, covering the entire surface without leaving spots and other imperfections. Users also like the fact that they can apply the wax on both warm and cool surfaces without compromising the finishing results. The shiny look lasts for quite a while, as well as the protective coat the product leaves after the application. Number 5. 303 Automotive Spray Wax. The 303 Spray Wax is a convenient option for those looking for a quick solution to the lack of shine on their vehicles. Because it comes in the form of a spray, the wax is easy to apply and makes detailing and spot cleaning super quick. You can use it to get rid of dust, dirt, debris, and water spots, making the surface clean and shiny again. The biggest benefit of this spray wax is its gentle formula. It helps you get rid of harmful residues without damaging your vehicle in the process, while also leaving a protective layer. The UV and water protection lasts for several months, and the spray is safe to use on a gel coat, clear coat, paint, fiberglass, plastic, and other surface types. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.